Clear northwest.
Hindi matitlab na.
Clear it, then we will mount up. Okay. Look at south, okay? Look at south. Full check. OC. We're going south in 3, in 2, in 1. Get this one. Guys. Tip. Defensives. Go north. Oh, brawl this, guys. Brawl this nyo muna. Brawl muna.
Araw ko pa natin.
Go north. Defensive, guys. Defensive muna. Defensive. No. Naging greedy kayo. Heal. I go. Okay. We're going west, okay? In 3, in 2, in 1. On me, guys. On me. Defensive. Nice kill. We fall back. Northeast now. Northeast. They have engaged. Guys. Mount up, okay? We will mount up. Mount up in 3, 2, 1. Mount up. We go out. We go outside. No. Go south. On me. Pass through them. We go west. 150. 51 over 150.
Yung dalawa.
Kaya nyo ba?
Nahold.
Sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I don't wanna risk anyone. That's
Overgeared.
150 oh.
Overgeared.
Uy, na-sandwich ako.
Yeah, follow me. Bison. Di kaya. Nabawasan agad tayo ng isa? Sino yung isa muna namatay?
Sabi, sumabog ako kahit naka-demon armor ako.
Sabog ka talaga dun, boss.
Gera din po.
7.39 infernal tapos kahit dalawang 7.39 infernal tapos dalawang demon tank.
May napatay naman kasi tayo doon na...
Ayun, kill team lang ata yung natataas. Small agad.
Come on, come down. Well, we will bomb na lang. Let's bomb. Huwag na tayo mag-terry.
Wala tayong clearing team.
Wala tayong clearing team din eh.
Mampipitas lang tayo.
Oh, spread out, boys.
Legend of Ronin. Over here.
Come to me.
Dapat pala
Dito muna. Don't take a look. Don't pick. Come to me. Okay. Faster, guys. Faster. If you see me, dismount. Okay? Beside me. Dismount beside me. Dismount. Okay, we walk now. Walking. Let's keep walking. Keep walking. We go back. Go back. We fake. Just go back. We have a healer. Nice. Okay, we're going in, okay? We're gonna go in. We're going in. Okay. We're going to engage, okay? On north, in 3, in 2, in 1. Engage on this one. Engage on these two. Defensives. Go southeast now. Defensives. Go southeast. Pop your potion if you need. Okay. We go north. Walk through. Go north. Pop your spots. We go west, We're going west. We're going shallow in 3, in 2, in 1. Shallow. Go south a bit. They're clamping us. Go south. We go west. Yes, west. West is cleared. Hill commander.
Patay.
We're going to engage on north, okay? In 3, in 2. Wait. Okay. Let's engage on south, okay? On south, in 3. East. Ang dami.
Sa kanila na agad.
Na-claim na.
Na-claim na nila yung Terry.
Ay, na-claim na ba nila?
Oh, nagkanig na eh.
Ay, hindi ko alam, sorry.
Oh, fuck, I died.
Akala ko kiniklear pa nila. My bad, guys.
Ayos din yan.
Na-pacify nila sa
GG, I guess.
Ay, GG.
Pero may na-delete.
Oh.
Wala na.
Nakita ko.
Kaya
Okay, yun.
Yeah.
Yun. Hindi ko. Sure.
Grabe yung na-delete doon guys. Kitang-kita. Ganda. Na-delete yung tier.
ilan na namatay. Ilan na namatay.
What the fuck, yung DPS ng zone is 7.4. Fuck.
89 lahat.
May naka 8.3 nga kanina sa ani. Sa...
May nakita nga kanina eh.
Yeah.
Pero wala tayong pakialam doon.
Okay.
Sa prairie na. Ay, rush sa prairie. Rush there.
Nakakama pa ng loob, naglawa ako. Pang ano ba naman yung P9 na ano? Infernal Sight.
Ayan naman yata. Ano bang inilaban natin ngayong gabi?
Wala.
Maganda ngayon mag ano eh. Puro gold ang ano. Puro gold ang OP at castle.
Sinecheck ko yung mga napatay natin eh. Meron ba kayong bods or something? Pwede ko makita, guys.
I have.